Hey all, welcome to UnleashDance. Today we will be learning slides. Slides is used in contemporary dance to move across the floor. It can be used as a transition or as a move on its own as well. Alright, we will be looking at two slides today and how to piece them together. Alright, so we start the first slide in a lunge. So right leg is in front, left leg is behind, left arm is out. So right leg and left arm. Make sure there's enough gap between both. Yeah, you want to make sure there's a gap between both. So what you do is, since I'm on my right leg, I'm going to turn towards the right leg a little bit. I'm going to turn towards the right leg. I'm going to find the metatarsals, find the shin, and then pass it through. Yeah? One more time. So, lunge here, arm out, make sure there's enough gap, turn towards the right, find the metatarsals, find the shin, and come through. Alright? What you don't want to do is find the knee. You don't want to find the knee, you want to find the shin. Yeah? So you have to turn a little to the right so that you can find the shin. Alright? This is how it should look with a little bit of momentum. Yeah? Now, you want to make sure that you're finding the shin and you're powering through it. Alright? So don't end the slide just here. Keep pushing it as far forward as you can. Alright? Let's try it one more time. You can use this to cut your height almost instantly. So if you're in a standing position, you can go down really quickly. Right? So this is the slide that we do on our shin, making sure it's on the outside. So we start the lunge and we end in a swastik position. Alright? Let's try the other side. Left leg, right hand, making sure there's enough space for the leg to pass through. Right? Awesome. That was the first slide. We're going to learn another slide. So you start this way, sitting on your heel, making sure your foot is pointed, not this way, but this way. Alright? Making sure that you are on the shin. Now, what you want to do, I'm on my left leg, my right leg is up, left leg is down. I'm going to place my hand and my aim is to go around the hand. I'm going to propel my hip forward and I'm going to go around the hand. Yeah? And then we switch. Same thing this side. Yeah? You can place your hand slightly further and you end up sliding more. So the further you place the hand, the more you slide. Alright, one more time. Placing the arm, going around the arm, using the hip. Alright? Now, there might be a tendency to go this way. You have to make sure that your bum remains on the heel. Alright? There. Now, instead of switching every time like this, what we can try and do is find a transition. So this is how we're going to find the transition. We start here. Now from here, I'm going to reach far, find the metatarsal and then find the shin. Alright, I'm going to show you in this diagonal position. From here, finding the shin. Do not do it like this. Don't do it like this. It has to be like this. Alright? So from here reaching, finding the shin. Yeah? This is how it should look continuously. Yeah? So those are the two slides. You can try both of them separately, or maybe you can try and find how you can merge both these movements. So go like that, and then. Yeah, so be sure to try your own combination and try both the slides individually first, and then maybe see if you can find a combination between both. Awesome.